Hello, all. Today we're going to learn about platform technologies. First of all, we will discuss the meaning of a platform. A platform is any hardware or software used to host an application or service. An application platform, for example, consists of a hardware, an operating system, and coordinating programs that use the instructions set up for a particular process or microprocessor. When purchasing software, it's important to know what platform the software was written on. The platform may also go beyond simply describing the underlying architecture to also include software that is built upon the architecture. For example, the adoption of virtual machines in an enterprise requires a hypervisor program such as Microsoft Hyper-V or VMware or vSphere. Applications may also play a part in the platform concept. Even though an application may require an underlying computer system, such as a particular OS and a server or storage hardware, an application may be considered as a platform when it's used as a tool for performing meaningful work. For example, SQL is a database application, but it is frequently used as a component to other functions, such as ERP systems. So SQL may be referred to as a platform. Next is technology. This is the science or knowledge put into practical use to solve problems or invent useful tools. Now let's go ahead and discuss emerging hardware digital platform trends. These include cell phones or smartphones, which include common day Blackberries, iPhones, and Samsung handsets. These have assumed data transmission, web surfing, email, and IM capabilities. Netbooks. These are small, low-cost, lightweight notebooks optimized for wireless communication and core computing tasks. Tablets. These are similar to smartphones. They have touchscreen displays and a rechargeable battery. Tablets come in different sizes and have the same capabilities of personal computers but lack their input-output capabilities. The first tablet was produced by Apple and was mass-marketed. Grid computing. This connects geographically remote computers into a single network to combine processing power and create virtual supercomputers. They provide cost saving, speed, and agility. Virtualization. This allows single physical resource to act as multiple resources that run on multiple instances of operating softwares. They reduce hardware and power expenditures. Cloud computing. On-demand utility computer services obtained over networks. These include the infrastructure of a service, the platform as a service, and software as a service. Autonomic computing. This is industry-wide effort to develop systems that can configure, heal themselves when broken, and protect themselves from outside intruders. Similar to self-updating antivirus software, Apple and Microsoft both use automatic updates. High-performance power-saving processors. These include multi-core processors. Let's now look at some software platform trends. We'll start with web services. These include software components that exchange information using web standards and languages. XML, or Extensible Markup Language, is a language that's very powerful and flexible compared to HTML. It has tagging that allows computers to process data automatically. SOAP, or Simple Object Process Protocol. This contains rules for structuring, messaging, and it enables applications to pass data and instructions. WSDL, or Web Service Description Language. This is a framework for describing web services and capabilities. UDDI, or Universal Description Discovery and Integration. This is basically a directory for locating web services. An example is an invoice service. To serve a whole firm, for calculating and sending printing invoices. The next thing we'll discuss are the goals of computer platform technologies. These goals include or do not get research funded, developed, and distributed. Improve the quality of human life and maximize human potential. To provide an equal access to computers and information technology tools. To focus public attention on the political agenda that determines what gets research funded, developed, and distributed in computer and information technologies. To democratize, that is, enhance the public participation in the process by which the computer and information technologies do or do not get research funded, developed, and distributed. Thank you.